Welcome to the walkthrough of Notion Creator OS, your all-in-one system to build, manage, and grow your Notion business. In this video, I'll guide you through how it works and how to get the most out of it. So let's jump right in. On the left, you'll find quick action buttons to instantly add new data. Just below that is the Navigation tab, giving you access to every page in the template. To the right, you'll see your active projects, followed by tasks due in the next 7 days, plus a calendar and the list of overdue items. Below that are your scheduled posts, recent emails, and upcoming emails. Further down, there's space for notes and resources you want to review, along with a finance section showing your revenue and costs for the month. Back on the left, you'll also see all the tools you use, and a list of the stores where your templates are currently being sold. The first page is the Products page, a place to manage all your Notion-related templates. You'll find multiple views that sort your products by type, category, launch date, last update, and more. Inside each product, you can add key details, store links, upload a thumbnail and photos, track discounts, and view related emails you've sent or scheduled. You can even store the actual template file right inside the page for easy access. Next is the Ideas page, a space to capture all your product concepts, notes, and inspiration for templates you might want to build and launch in the future. Next is the Stores page, where you can track all the platforms you're currently selling on, along with a list of potential stores to explore. You'll also see an overview sorted by total revenue and number of products listed. Inside each store, you can add the store link, track your payouts, view all listed products, manage active discounts, and see a full history of payouts received. Next is the Discounts page, where you'll see all your active discounts and a full overview sorted by status. Inside each discount, you can set the code, define start and end dates, add details, set a usage limit, and link it to specific stores and products. You also have a dedicated construction page, showing all the templates or products you're actively working on right now. The template also includes a free Canvas page, where you can store anything, jot down ideas, or use it however you like. The Published Products page lets you store all your live templates, just like the storage inside a product page, so you can choose whichever setup works best for you. Next is the Tasks page, showing all your upcoming tasks, a calendar view, and a full breakdown by status. Inside each task, you can set the status, assign a due date, and link it to a specific project and goal. Next is the Projects page. At the top, you'll see all active projects, grouped by status, priority, or the goal they support. Below that is a timeline view for a broader visual overview. And at the bottom, a full list of all projects, including completed ones. Inside a project, you can set the status, priority, linked goal, start and end dates, and completion date. There's also a progress bar that updates automatically based on completed tasks. Or you can set your own target and progress manually. Below that, you'll find all the tasks connected to that project. Moving on, we have the Goals page. Here, your goals are grouped by status, giving you a clear view of what's in progress, completed, or upcoming. Below that, a board view organizes them by quarter and status. And at the bottom, a timeline gives you a broader overview. Inside each goal, you can set the status, category, and quarter, along with start, deadline, and completion dates. You'll also see a dynamic message showing how many days are left. Further down, you'll find all the projects and reviews linked to that goal. Up next is the Notes page, a space to store and access all your notes. Each note shows when it was created and last edited, and can be linked to relevant resources. You also have the option to archive your notes. Now we have the Resources page, where you can save important links to revisit later. Resources are grouped by status and type for easy access. Inside each one, you can set the type, add the URL, and link it directly to a related note. Next is the Tools page, where you can track all the tools you use regularly. They're organized by status and tool type for quick access. Inside each tool, you can set its status, type, website URL, and renewal date if it's subscription-based. Plus, view a full log of past costs. First up in the marketing section is the Platforms page, where you track all your social media platforms and their performance. You'll see several views showing key stats and metrics across each platform. Inside a platform page, you can review detailed performance data, and just below, there's an overview of all your linked posts, grouped by status, along with a content calendar to see what's scheduled. Next is the Posts page, where you can manage all your content in progress, grouped by post type. You'll also find a full content calendar showing posts across every platform, and views that organize them by status. Inside each post, you can set the type, platform, and status, add a cover, schedule publish dates, and log post-performance stats like views, likes, and comments. There's also a dedicated writing space, with multiple post templates tailored to each content type, making creation seamless. Now we have the Emails page, giving you a full overview of sent, scheduled, and draft emails. A calendar below shows exactly when each one was or will be sent. Inside an email, you can set the status, audience, and category, schedule the send date, and track post-send data like recipients, open rates, and clicks. You can also link a related product and use the writing space below to draft or edit your email. In the Finances section, the first page is Revenues, where you can track all payouts from every store you sell on. You'll see how much you've made each month and per store. Below is a calendar showing you all your past payouts. Inside each entry, you can log payout and arrival dates, along with amounts in different currencies if needed. Next is the Costs page, where you can track all your logged expenses, grouped by month, category, or tool. A calendar below shows when each cost occurred. Inside each entry, you can set the category, add all necessary details, and even attach a receipt for reference. And finally, there's the Archive page, a space to store old templates, pages, or any content you no longer need active. And that's a wrap on the full walkthrough of Notion Creator OS. If you want to start using this template yourself, you'll find the link down in the description. Make sure to hit subscribe for more Notion setups, productivity hacks, and deep dives like this one. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next video.